How to use KuCoin crypto trading bot quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use KuCoin crypto trading bot. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up KuCoin.com and you will land right here on this platform. This is a KuCoin exchange where we can buy, sell, and trade crypto. On KuCoin, we have a lot of different options to buy crypto. We have a huge marketplace. In trading, we have spot trading, margin trading, we have derivatives, earn, and NFT. KuCoin is known for its, updated options, and it works on making the trading easy for us. That is why we have another option when it comes to the trading, and which is the trading bots. With trading bots, we can earn passive profits without monitoring the market. How it works, how to create a bot on KuCoin, that's what we will cover in this tutorial. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Once you get to KuCoin.com, you will require an account. Creating an account is really easy. You can sign up with your email address or with your Google account. Once you sign up, this is where you can see this is my dashboard on KuCoin. Now we just have to go to the trading option, and then the third option is going to be the trading bots. It will take you right here to the trading window, and it will allow you to create a bot. Now you can see it's a little complicated right here. You can see a lot of different things how you can use KuCoin, and I will make it very easy for you to kind of like check one by one all of the different options. Before we continue, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. I am giving you a tutorial about the exchange KuCoin and how you can use the bot option. Investing in something, trading involves a high degree of risk, or whether you afraid to lose money or not. So make sure you have all the information, you understand crypto trading, then you can get started. That being said, let's continue. So you can see with our KuCoin slash trading bots, we have some of the bots. We have spot grid bot, futures grid, infinity grid, DCA, and smart rebalance. So I will take you to the simplest bot, which is for spot trading. In here, in this robo, what we do is with this bot, we give it the lowest price and the highest price. It sells when it is on the lowest, and it buys when it is the lowest, and it sells when the price is the highest. You will select your bot first. I have selected the spot grid. Then you have your coin list. Of course, you will have to select a pair that you want to invest in, the pair that you want to trade in. I have selected Ethereum and BTC. So I just went with BTC right here for my chain, and for my coin, I went with Ethereum. This is the live price right here. It would tell you. This is our, list for the selection. Once it's done, you will be able to see your coin that you have selected right here. This is the live price. We have change, 24-hour high, 24-hour low, 24-hour amount, and 24-hour volume. Then we have our chart right here. You can select the chart if you want it to be candles, bar, or line. I have selected candles. You will select your time, 1 hour, 2 hour, 24-hour, and day. So I'm going to go with the daily view to get a better idea what happened with my pair throughout the day. Then we have our indicators right here. This is a trading view. We have some of the tools given to work on our chart. Once you have read the chart and you have selected the lowest price and the highest price, you can see this is the highest price right now. So I can kind of mark it too. This was the highest price. And similarly, we kind of have the lowest here. So I can mark that too. You can see here. So we have our highest and we have our lowest. These are the parameters we need to add to our bot. Right here on this side of the screen, you will be able to find your bot settings. We have auto right here. You can switch to the customize if you want to. We have auto. These are the parameters. You can see price range. This is the price range. Number of order placed, and then we have total investment. You just have to enter the amount you want to invest, and you will give your bot some commands that okay, this is the highest price, this is the lowest price, and the bot will keep track of everything for you. You don't need to check your account every minute. You don't need to monitor everything throughout the day. You will just give commands to your bot. Now you have an assistant that will work for you and that will help you automate your trading process. It will save you time and money. Just enter the amount here and then you can select the percentage. Click on create and the bot will be created. This is the spot grid. Similarly, we have futures grid. For the futures grid, again, what you will do is you will select your coin from here. We have our chart and then we have our auto option given. You can see with auto, we have some parameters such as leverage. This is for the futures. Leverage, price range, number of placed orders, profit and grid, select long or short, enter your amount, click on create bot and your bot will be created. Then we have an infinity bot. With infinity bot, again select the coin. This is the chart and you have to enter parameters such as the minimum price, profit rate per grid, total investment, enter the amount in USDT, select the percentage, click on create and your bot will be created. This is going to be the infinity grid. Then we have a new bot which is known as DCA. In here, what you will do is, this is for the investment for 1 day. You can select your day first, like for 8 hours, 1 day, 2 days, 4 days. Enter the amount right here. Select your coupon if you have any. Click on create and your bot will be created. So creating a bot is actually really easy with KuCoin. Moving on, we have the smart rebalance. For the smart rebalance, you will have to switch to the simple trading bot right here, to the simple view. I will just take a second to load. Until then, you can see right here with each bot that you create, you can kind of like scroll down a little bit to check your history, where you will be able to find your running bots, your strategy history and total profit. So this is where you will find all of the bots that you are actually running and the bots that you have created. Of course, bot also involve a risk. When it comes to trading in crypto, it will always have a risk. And what you can do is with the bots, you can actually save time and automate your trading, and it actually helps you earn more profit this way. Okay, so it will switch me to the classic version. You can see right here. And now I can also create a smart rebalance. So these are the bots available on KuCoin. You can see spot grid, futures grid, infinity grid and DCA. You just have to go to KuCoin.com/trading bots, select your coin first. You will be able to then check out your chart. With the chart, you can read, select the different parameters, and then with the auto option, you can enter the parameters such as the prices, the number of grids, percentage, and then you just click on create and your bot is created. You can also go with the customize option. Now, customize means that we will not be using a bot and we will be doing everything ourselves. But if you have a bot, then why not go ahead and use it. Go ahead and check out KuCoin.com/trading bots and you will get an idea how to do trading using bots. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.